Gina with WTI, and if you're looking for a fabulous set of Turkish towels to take with you on the go or to use at home, then look no further than these ones from Cotton Iva. I got the 4 set in gray stripes. I just love using these in so many different ways. I love using them out on the grass when I want to spend some bonding time with my kitty cat, or I even use it as a throw on my bed to keep her fur off. I also love the versatility of being able to use this as a shawl. I just think the tassels are so cute, and I love the texture of this fabric. It's so soft and lightweight. These are 40 by 70 inches. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds, and you can see that I can easily wrap this around my body and still have room to spare. Look how fast they lick up the water from my sink. And when I wipe off my skin with them, you can see there's no residual wetness and it has soaked into the towel. I just love these cotton towels. They're so pretty, they're soft, they're comfortable, and they pack down really tight, so they're great for on-the-go use. Cotton Iva has a lot of different colors to choose from, so just get one in every shade. And that's my point of view.